Right, another video on electroplating with copper, this time some crossbow bolts. This one's already done, pretty much, as you can see. This is just the warhead part, the screw-on version. As you can see, the stainless one's plated very well. I'll be doing the full crossbow bolt next. Already done quite a few using these. Practice crossbow bolts. Put that over here to dry. The others. Grab a glove. Do what I did last time. Seems to work. Clipping on the big one and then clipping the little one on the lap. Also gives you more range. So got it over there. Okay. Already copper plated quite a few things so far. Show you. Some bolts, pair of calipers, miniature ones, both parts of it, including the loop, springs, shiny springs, and both of them knives and custom knives. So the process works quite well considering it's all DIY. Bolt here too. Also be doing these ones. There's that arrow here warhead that I just done. That's just drying out. That's what they look like before. Shiny stainless steel to that. Them side by side so you can see better. So quite the difference. Not sure how this one will come out, to be honest. We will see. Seems to be reacting nicely. I'll give it a stir as usual. Process as usual can take some time. Can be boring, however all of this is free. It's all made from scrap. Even the charger was scrap itself from an old laptop or power supply. Oh, that was it, from a set-top box. You know, one of those TV set-top box things. There's a switched power supply from one of them. So it was all free. This is just a chunk of copper off a heatsink from an old CPU. Crocodile clips are more scrap from electronic projects. Just from old toolboxes, from out of skips and crap like that. Obviously the arrows ain't free though. Not started to plate yet. Can take a few minutes. Change the angle. Very cloudy. Can't really see in there at all. Move this back. Not much slack on the wires. as I've had to move this from my original position for other projects. Always, I'll post the results in the thumbnail. Giving that crossbow bolt a wash. The warhead one. Very, very nice. Look at that. That's one pretty finish. Very coppery. Look at that. Looks almost gold. But it's not. The electrons will move from here to here, taking copper along the way, and back round the circuit. So back and forth. Quite simple. Give it another, say, 5 minutes, it should have a small layer on there deposited. Although I want it more like that other one. Nice shiny layer on there. It looks almost golden. That's what you're aiming for anyway. Not all metals react the same. You can see that bubbling away nicely. That crocodile clip is definitely copper now. Look at that. Even the screw has managed to become coated in copper. Neat. Bubbling quite rapidly there. Hopefully that's a good sign, hopefully. We'll see. This is the part that's being corroded. You can see that white line across the bottom here. With bubbles. See that? Just moved some away. That's the corrosion. As you can see, it's eating into the copper quite rapidly. Very nice colour and effect, as you can see. Teal green colour. Sort of a marine-ish colour. Very nice. If you're into that sort of thing. Not yet. Guess this one's going to take a while. The warhead didn't take that long, but then it was just the warhead. And it was very clean. Try and get less of the crocodile clip in there. should help. This is a crocodile clip, won't be being plated even more. Taking quite some time. Can see a tiny bit depositing on there, I'm pretty sure. Hopefully. We'll give it about 8 minutes more. Just leave it stand, see how it turns out. Hopefully it'll have a layer on it by then. Usually have. Better viewing angle for the last few minutes. Hopefully we'll have some plating on there soon. That's pure copper depositing onto the items. You can also scrape that off if you wish. Suppose you could remelt it if you have enough. Messy. Should have probably cleaned up some of my other projects. Very slight plating on it. Looks like it's going to take some time. Give it a few more minutes and see how it looks. As always, I'll post the results in the thumbnail. Not plating it very well. Not compared to the others. Likely needs to be a lot more time. So, leave this. I'll post the results in the thumbnail once I've plated this thing. So have a last look at some of the other stuff that I plated earlier. Well, until next time.